Whenever you guys are ready.
I was going to.
Yes, go. I'm sorry.
That's good.
Hi there, my name's Soriano. I am from Seattle, Washington. I am a senior stylist at 8 Salon, located in Bellevue Square, as well as a color director and on a creative team for Ozcraft Luxury Hair Care. And I made my way over to this class just to learn everything I possibly could and absorb as much as I could from these amazing people.
Liz. Hi, I'm Emily Shirley. I am also from the U.S. I am from Arkansas, which is where I went to hair school, but I actually work right now at Walt Disney World and I do princess wigs. It's a secret, so don't tell anybody, but it's lots of fun. It's something I've always wanted to do, and I really enjoyed what hairstyling has done for me. I've gotten to do hairstyling in Cambodia, in Germany, all over the place. I one day would like to be a hairstylist on a cruise ship, but like, it's important to have big goals, which I think we both do, and everybody in this class also does.
And actually what's really cool is Emily and I met on a trip in Cambodia where we were volunteering at a hair school there to help at-risk youth and victims of sex trafficking. So now we're here in a different country, so fun fact, we've actually hung out more times in different countries than the country that we're from. So one of the biggest things that stood out to me when I came into Eikonic Academy was that it is beautiful, okay? I would have killed for my beauty school to look like this. It looks like a full functioning salon. It's super pristine, and it honestly has the coolest setup. Like, and I understand why the students are getting their maximum benefit.
It's really cool because it's actually like an Instagram, like this is Instagram worthy in here. Like I love the stuff on the ceilings, I love the set, like right, everything is so beautiful and like clean and just like set up like a real salon that you would want to spend your time in. I also really like that everything was like handy capable, like we have like handy capable lights, we have handy capable bathrooms, and like me in hair school, it was like a closet and you just had to try for the best. Like, hair school is not usually this great.
It's the kind of place that makes you think, maybe I should go back to hair school.
Right?
Because it really just leaves such a great memorable experience.
Definitely worth it.